I missed you.
Good. I brought this for you.
For us?
Yes.
Oh, we love a red lens.
Well, after the week I had, I need it for
Yeah,
sure.
was the drive bad?
It was exhausting. Oh, the traffic was
I'm
terrible.
glad you made it though.
It smells so good in
It
here.
does smell good.
I'm so excited.
Oh, Char, you made a mess.
I know, I'm sorry.
It's a towel.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's all right. We're used to it.
I am who I am, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How long until the pasta's ready?
Maybe another 5.
Okay, well,
Clink, you know?
Clink, you know?
You want to grab some? Like...
Yes. Blame me for jumping off the balcony. Blame Mom for making me believe that I could fly.
I don't think that's what she did. All she bought you was a costume.
Well, you know what? When you want to be Superwoman for Halloween, you're gonna jump off a balcony.
Yeah, I guess so.
The good thing is that my hair grew in, so you can't see where the scar is, right?
Well, that one time I was Barney and I didn't go around, you know, just hanging out with random kids.
Well, yes, you did. You went trick-or-treating.
Oh. But I was like 14.
Okay, well, yeah, that's true. That's true. But 14 is a lot older than 3, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
I should have known better.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Boop. Mm-hmm. Yep.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Mom would be proud. Remember when I dressed up as a Teletubby? I had to be Tinky Winky, so Mom had to sew.
Is that a purple one?
Yes. With the triangle, and he had the purse. He was the first man to have a purse. So
Is
Mom.
that what you wanted?